Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ODYS Thanos 10 and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, and now let's tap on this three-dot icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on the history. And as you can see right here, we've got all previously visited websites. And of course, if you want, you can remove them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if in your case this list is so wide, then I highly recommend to simply go to the very top of it and tap on clear browsing data, because here we can do it, let's say, automatically. So as you can see here, we've got some basic and advanced options. And in basics, we've got the browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, all time, as it was said before, or last 7 days. If you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So as you can see, I will remove everything and simply tap on clear data. Just tap on clear. And as you can see, we just go back to the history, which is currently empty, and it simply means that we just removed actually everything. So basically that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your ODYS Thanos 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave a thumbs up.